Hey everybody, I'm Luz Gamboa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here and opening my gift. This is a DJI packet number 2. Well, I really want this camera for a long time. So now I'm gonna open it. I'm so happy. This is so hard. The garbage too over there. So let's see. Let's open this one later. And maybe this is the camera. Instructions. And this is all the accessories. So first of all, this is tripod. This is so nice. Let's now open this. So it's super small. This is for the microphone. What else is here? This is small for the camera. And this is all the small accessories. Cable. Oh, this is for so hard to take it off. This is to block your phone, and if you have Android, and here is clip to put your tripod. Like this. I have to take this out, and then like this. And this one is the microphone, so it's good. We need a microphone too. Just take it on the cover. Stickers. I don't think we need this sticker. And we need to take this one too. So another one right here. And in the length. Let me show you guys. It's one more in the length, so you have to take it out. We need to plug this one. This is from my phone to here, like this. And now I have to connect my cell phone here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. This is the microphone, and right here is how you turn it on. So now you turn it on and turn it off. Also, here, this is for the voice. You need to just connect it here. You just plug it, and then you can put it here or anywhere you want to put it, so you guys can hear it properly. Another thing that is very interesting, this is the wide angle camera, so you can switch it. So right here, you guys can save the wide angle, so they have a place, so you guys, it's magnetic, so you guys can put it like this. So now you guys can see it, it's right there. So this is a protection for the wide angle lens. That's good. Just like this. And then you guys can put this one right here. This is to connect your cell phone. Well, I think this is everything here inside the house, but I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys the view of this camera. Let's go. So I'm here at the park, and it's -4 degrees, but feels -13, so it's really cold. I came to the park to show you guys the difference between making a video with my phone, iPhone 11, and use the new DJI Pocket 2. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go. Well, this is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.